Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by activating the phone's hotspot so your laptop can connect. First, check your carrier allowance because tethering can use large data, otherwise you may hit limits. In Settings, open Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot and flip it on. Set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so strangers don't join. Once done, pick the two. 4 GHz band for range or 5 GHz for speed, and make note of the network name and password. Now connect the laptop to the newly created hotspot. On your laptop, open the Wi-Fi list, find the SSID you set, and enter the password. The system may ask if the network is public or private. Choose based on trust. Make sure to mark it as metered if you want to limit background updates. This reduces unexpected data use. Once connected, check IP and signal strength, and then close non-essential apps and pause large downloads so the connection stays responsive. Finish by confirming the laptop can reach the internet. Open a simple web page or run a quick ping. Make sure to turn off the hotspot when you're finished to conserve phone battery and avoid extra charges. If something fails, first toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, then disable and re-enable Wi-Fi on the laptop. Often a restart of one device clears IP or tethering glitches. If problems persist, check carrier tethering restrictions and data balance before altering advanced settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.